Welcome students in BA part 2nd. In our last video, we were discussing Rabbi Ben Ezra, a very long poem divided into various parts, or you may call it stanzas. It is very logical as well as philosophic presentation given by Browning related to various types of the aspects that are very useful for our educational as well as social aspects. As we discussed already, that Rabbi Ben Ezra is the collection of various relations related to religion, related to culture, related to shore, civilization, our body, related to God, or various types of the parts which are directly or indirectly related to human body or the parts of life. Next, in a single line or in very sum up, we want to say that what is the motto of Rabbi Ben Ezra? What is the principal thought that was used by Browning in Rabbi Ben Ezra? What are the major objectives to write the poem Rabbi Ben Ezra, or what they are hidden a special message for human being in Rabbi Ben Ezra? All these questions have one fixed answer, or you can say one very similar response, that completely in one single line Rabbi Ben Ezra provides the complete definition of life. What the life is, how to live life, what are the objectives of life, what are the mission of life, why we came on the earth, what are our main objects. In local we are calling it karma. What is our karma, what is our merits, why we here on the earth by God. There is particular mission, there is particular object of that superpower that He provided us the chance to be human being. Human being, as we know, as the best creature of the world. There are various types of creatures made by the God, but we are always considered that human creature is considered as the best creature. So what is the utility of our body? What is the objective and main mission to get the life? So all these type of the queries, suggestions provided by Rabbi Ben Ezra, and as we know that Rabbi here plays the role of a messenger who delivers his speech or his pupils. Now as a reader, we are pupils here for some time, and we can prove us that yes, we are the pupil of Rabbi Ben Ezra, and in given point we just understand or we try to adopt all these type of the ideas as the pupil of Rabbi. Although the episode of Rabbi, as we know, he belongs to, you can say, before 1000 years, and his history is to be found in the literature of Spain and Rome, but there is no any type of the matter. Knowledge can be get from anywhere that is suitable for us. Now we were discussing from yesterday the chapter wise understanding and explanation of Rabbi Ben Ezra. The poem is very long, and we hope to complete it various videos, about 6 to 7 videos, as our first priority is to be given the stanzas that are most important in the point of view of examination and paper. So in the first part, as we discussed already, that in every part of Rabbi Ben Ezra, one different type of feature, one special type of quality, one different and unique part of our life, different span of our life, objective and mission of our life, or various roles of our life, various role of soul in life, various role of our physical activities in life, all these different parts of our life belonging directly or indirectly to us are presented in Rabbi Ben Ezra in different parts. So this is very must to know what the part says at first. Understand? this is very must to know before we touch the part of Rabbi Ben Ezra. We must know that what there is in this part. Same as yesterday. We have finished first part. So what are the feature of first part? First part deals with the feature of old. What happened there? There happened that what is the feature of old? There is indirectly also a comparison between old and youth. And then according to suggestion of Rabbi or the advisory of Rabbi, he says old age is more superior. According to Rabbi, old age is the last span of life, and here only we can understand the actual and accurate meaning of life. So what is the objective of Rabbi to provide so importance to old age? There is the objective, there is the hidden purpose, or that hidden purpose is the clear-cut important definition of life. What the life is, we can understand it at a particular time. We never understand it in youth time, or it is in our childhood time, or later childhood, before youth, after youth. No, there is one particular time when the complete structure of life, when the complete meaning and definition of life, objective and mission of life, features of life, merits and demerits of life, everything clearly seen. This is only old age. So, this is the most important focus of the Rabbi, that we should provide the old, because during in our old age we have learned everything about our life. Let's become on part second, and then we start to read part second and then later parts. In part first, yes, one thing is also important which I want to show you now. Every part is well connected to each part. Is the first part complete? Second must be related with the first. There is no any type of direct jumping to indirect topic. No. Every topic, every part is interlinked and correlated. Means in first part if we discussed about the old, then in the second part we just come on the youth, because it is necessary. What is necessary? Then his meaning is not misunderstood. Rabbi never says youth is bad. No. Rabbi says that old is better, youth is also good. So what is difference? He clearly explained his ideas and sentiments, that I never ignored the youth. Youth is also beautiful, but that has their different parts, that has their different type of features and the merits. Even the old has their different type of the merits. So now in the second part, I request to you just observe the second part. What the meaning of second part says. Before we read it, kindly keep the summary of second part. In second part, Rabbi says that youth is a fast age. Fast age, you can understand, we have not the time to think. We have not the proper ability to select good or bad, or there are various types of the task, and all these various or difficult or different tasks we want to complete in single day. Means our efforts, our toils, our hard work, our stamina, our power, all these devoted to achieve different type of achievements. Means we want to get this and this and this and this. Means various types of the achievement we want to get at once. Very quick age, very first age, or when we devoted ourselves with more than two objectives, with more than two activities, can our mind be properly worked there? No, because our mind diverted in different waves, and then the physical life or the proper life or the moral life and our actual life, we never think, or we have no time to think, we have no chance and an opportunity to consider that which is good for me or which is bad for me. So we are calling the youth as a quick age. Whatever we get, we want to get it. Whatever we want to get it. That means we have no time to think a moment for that particular thing. Is it suitable or not? Is it right or bad? This is the main meaning of Rabbi. Then he provides more weightage to the old period. So this was the second part. I request to you that observe the book. Second part starts with note that is showing that उमा लग रही है, इसके बाद पॉइंट रुक जाता है. रब्बी जी एक बात को कहकर रुक जाता है, मीनिंग ऐसा नहीं है. ऐसा दैट आई एम इग्नोरिंग यूथ. इट इज नॉट माई एक्सप्लेनेशन. इट इज नॉट माई आइडिया दैट आई एम इग्नोरिंग यूथ. अमेजिंग फ्लावर्स, ये तो अमेजिंग फ्लावर खिलते हुए, मतलब एकदम अमेज करना, कलेक्ट करना, इकट्ठे करना फूल. फ्लावर्स इज यूजिंग फॉर वेरियस टास्क. It is using for various activities. It is using for various types of the achievement. Through the example of flower, say that is suppose in a garden there are various beautiful flowers. Which is useful for you? That is depends upon your desire. But at the youth time, you want to collect every flower. All should be in my pocket. Either that is useful or not useful. So at that time, when you have visited various types of the flowers, they have all their beauty. Then you must keep in mind for a moment which flower is best for me, and then select the one. It is more useful. But at the time of our youth, we have not the power, we have not the capacity, we have not the opportunity, or even we don't want to think about it. And then you want to get that is music. Youth sing which rose make ours. Youth sing, this is the time of youth. And then we think which is made ours. Kaun sa hai? Means we have got the power of decision making, and you can say immediate decision making, sudden decision making. Which lily is the name of flower, a very white color flower. So which lily leave and then all best recall, not that admiring stars. Which lily leaves, और इधर पहली लाइन में आया था which rose make ours. So rose and lily are using only to show the difference. Which rose is our, rose is the name of flower. Which lily leaf, कौन सी लिली को छोड़ूं और कौन से रोज को प्राप्त करूं. We have not the power to understanding it, that at the present time which is useful for you. This is the difference at the old time. This is the difference at the old and youth. If you are in the old period now, then you can easily describe the feature of rose and the feature of lily. Means they are only symbolic representation. Try to understand. Rose and lily are not the proper selection or the criteria of selection. No, they are the example that both are looking beautiful. Then into beautiful things, which beautiful is more better for us. This is the meaning. Which lily leave and then as best recall, यानी कौन सी को बेस्ट रिकॉल करे, पुकारे. Which is the best from lily and the rose. This is the confusion. Note that admiring stars. It yearned. Note that admiring stars. क्योंकि उस समय तो सारी की सारी admiring stars हैं. Stars. There are various types of the stars in the sky. Admiring stars. हर एक स्टार को आप हर एक मतलब जो तारे होते हैं, स्टार्स होते हैं, they are looking the same sky at the night time. Same as you can think in the example of flower. All stars are beautiful. All stars are shining in the sky at the night. Then which is the best star? Can you identify? No. Same at in the position of flower, or same as the position of a different collection of flowers. Which flower is best? Same as which star is best. So you have not the power to think about or to identify about which is the best flower for you. क्यों? क्योंकि all these flowers are looking us as a shining star, or as a shining star it is very difficult to select. देखा है हमने आगे. No Joe nor Mars. Joe is the name of star, that is Jupiter. Mars is the name of star, you know it very well. So we never identify We are not discussing about a scientific point of view of observation. A common criteria. What is the Jupiter or what is the Mars? We have not the power to think about it. Same position that was given by Rabbi, that at the youth time we have not any type of the criteria to think about it, or we have not any type of the condition, or you can say any type of the opportunity, then you can think about the difference between these two. Next, might be some figures which planets transcend them all. At the last line of second part, Rabbi is representing that all these type of the stars and the flowers have their fixed merits, they have their fixed features. Even then, how it is possible to think about it. This was the measure or the prime feature that was given by Rabbi, that what I am given or why I am given more importance to old age. This is the time to think about the future of old again. So this is the first and second part. First and second part should be read comparatively. It will be more understand to think about the conception. This is main important aspect of Rabbi Ben Ezra, that various types of the parts are interconnected, or at the time when parts are interconnected, it becomes more important, or it becomes, you can say, more necessary to read it comparatively. Means in first part you can compare what is important, experience is important. In second part, what is important? Excitement and eagerness of youth. So you can see in old age, can we find out any excitement or eagerness? No. When there is excitement and eagerness, there is means your experience is not working there properly. Your mind is not taking decision there properly. This was the result that at the time when we are considering different type of the rules, or when we are considering different type of the features that was given by Rabbi Ben Ezra, that our position of youth is same as the position of garden, or that position of the flowers of garden is beautifully compared with the shining of the star. Means during the youth period, our position is not able to find or not able to select one among all the stars that are shining in the sky. Means you can clear a complete question sometimes in university exams. It may also be asked if you search out the papers of last year, then you may also search out the difference between part first and second, or indirectly difference between youth and old. Prescribed time and limit of writing is only 50 words. Then you can explain. In youth, more importance was given to excitement and you can say eagerness. Two things are important. And in old, more experience was given to experience. So you can complete 3E in your mind. These 3E are the presentation. How we can complete the meaning of difference of old and youth. This is experience, this is excitement, and this is eagerness. These three are important at the time when we just think about these are the feature of youth, these are the feature of old. So at the present time, in first and second part, we must clearly. One thing is also important in your mind. We never think about that anywhere or in every inch of the coin. No, Rabbi never attacks upon the youth, or he never ignoring the parts of or the features of or the quality of youth. We must understand youth and old in their different aspects. Both have their particular features, both have their particular merits as well as demerits. We never can show that no, this part of life is not important. Every part of the span of life is important at its place. All they have their particular use, and all they have their particular objective and mission. There is everyone that is made by the God has their fixed objective. So our lifespan that is divided into various parts is also their particular features. In the next part, part third, we will describe that in part third there is another type of feature, or the feature is related with someone that is another aspect of life, and the third part